What's up YouTube? How you guys doing today? Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Welcome to the channel. You can call me Guy. If you'll hit that little red button down here somewhere in the corner, the little subscribe button, help the channel out. Today I want to introduce you to a new mini series that I want to do. It's some old footage that I recorded a while back, so that's why it's all filmed in one position. Anyway, it was a lot of footage. I'm gonna break it down into a couple episodes, probably 4 or 5 episodes, about 5 minutes apiece, instead of you getting tired halfway through watching a 20-minute video. This will also give you regular content to watch as I upload regularly. While I get this series uploaded, I'm working on new projects every day, as you can see down here below you. If you get the hint, this is what I'm working on today, and that will give me material later on for you to watch. But right now I'm working on this series. I hope you guys enjoy the series. If you do, hit the thumbs up on the videos, and you really want to help out, watch the video all the way through. YouTube likes that. It'll help recommend the video to other people when you watch it all the way through. Called retention rating. Learn something new every day. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy the series. Catch you on the next episode. Y'all have a good one. Alright, so now we're working on the top part of the frame, and this is kind of challenging when you're working by yourself. And most of the time I am working by myself. So as you can see, we're kind of walking it up side to side a little bit at a time. When I finally get it to the top, we'll clamp it in place. Use more clamps to make it more sturdy, obviously. We don't want this thing to fall while we're working on it. Now we're working on the other side. And this side gets to be a little more challenging. As you can see, some of the pliers tend to slip a little bit. Alright, so now it's at the top. We're going to tweak with it a little more just to make sure we can get it as close as possible. Notice that the frame is upside down. So now that we're comfortable with how we got it clamped in place, we're going to put a few tacks in. These are not precise tacks. These are just to help kind of hold everything together so we can flip the frame over into the upright position and finish getting everything precisely how I wanted it. Alright, so let's get this thing tipped over. This thing's heavy. It's big and it's awkward, and I'm in a small shop. So you can see I knocked the trash can over. That was an accident, but hey, I had to move forward. Now what you're seeing is we're going back and breaking these tacks loose, and we're going to get a more precise fit up now that the rack is in the upright position. Now that everything's tacked in place like we want it, we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of weld out. So what I'm doing here, if you can see over here in the top corner, I'm using the clamp to kind of help pull things together. I tacked on the additional piece of metal and I use this really long clamp to kind of pull everything tight. So now we're having to flip it back over so we can get to the other side of the frame to do a weld out on the bottom side. Hope y'all enjoyed that episode. This is the first episode in the series, and if you want to catch the next episode in the series, just click that button over there to your right where it says watch this next. It'll take you right on over there. Hope to see you guys there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up. Catch y'all next time.